Aromatic golden chicken pieces in an incredible creamy curry sauce. This butter chicken recipe is one of the best you will try. You will love how easy it is to make in the comfort of your own home. Cook up the best butter chicken with this easy recipe. In a bowl, mix together bite-sized chicken pieces, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, yogurt. Give it a quick mix. Next, add coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala. Mix well to incorporate to ensure the chicken pieces are well coated. Cover and marinate for at least 1 hour or preferably overnight. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add marinated chicken pieces and cook until browned and cooked through, about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside. In the same pan, melt 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of butter. Sauté onions until translucent. Add ginger garlic paste, cumin, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder and mix to incorporate. Dip in tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until wilted. Mix in cashew nuts and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Using handheld emulsifier, blend the ingredients in the pan until smooth. Optionally, you can scoop mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. Pour water then stir to incorporate. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in heavy cream and simmer for additional 2 minutes. Add remaining 1 tablespoon butter and cook until butter is melted. Taste and adjust with salt if needed. Add fried chicken pieces and gently toss to cover with sauce. Give it a final simmer of 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and transfer in a serving bowl. Enjoy with naan bread or rice. Butter chicken never fails to impress.